Hi guys, today we talk about Realme GT Neo 6. It's launched on May 2024. The dimensions of Realme GT Neo 6: height 6.38 inches, width 2.96 inches, thickness 7.8.7 mm, and the weight is 191 gram. And the build: front and back glass and aluminium frame. The display type of this device, it comes with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type, and the screen size is 6.78 inches with 91.8% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 1.5K and the refresh rate is 120Hz with 6000 nits peak of brightness, and it's come with Gorilla Glass protection. Let's go to the platform. It's come with Android 14 operating system and the chipset is Snapdragon 8S Gen 3. The CPU is octa-core with Cortex X4 and it's come with Adreno 735 GPU. The talk about memory, it's come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM and 256, 512 and 1TB of ROM. No SD card support in this mobile. The camera of this device, it's come with dual camera setup, the main sensor 50MP wide and 8MP ultra wide, and it's record 4K 60fps video with main cameras. The selfie camera is 32MP and it record 4K 30fps video. The battery backup of this mobile, it's come with 5500 mAh battery and 120W wired charging, no wireless charging and no reverse charging. The feature of this mobile, it has Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, stereo speaker, USB Type-C, fingerprint under display, NFC, UFS 4.0 and IP65 water and dust resistant. The price of Realme GT Neo 6 is $350.